Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, I am going to show you how to find the sum of digits in a given number. Let us understand by taking an example. Let's say, for example, we have some 4-digit number and we wanted to find the sum of digits of this number. And how to do that? What we'll do is, we'll pick up one digit in that number each time and we'll add it, we'll take some variable and we'll add it to that variable whenever we pick up the one digit from the number. And then at the end, when we are done with all the digits in the number, we'll get the sum of all the digits in that variable. So for that, what we'll do is, for the first step, what we need to do, we wanted to pick up one digit from that number. For that, what we'll do is, we'll divide the number by 10 and get the remainder. So when we divide a number by 10, the remainder we get is the rightmost digit in that number. In this case, it is 9. We'll get number 9. So this digit we are going to actually put it into some variable called sum. Next, we are done with one digit. Next, what we wanted to do, we wanted to pick up the next digit. For that, what we'll do is, we'll divide the number by 10, and what's the result we get? We get as the 172 in this case, meaning leaving the rightmost digit, whatever we have the number, we'll get that value. And this is what we want to pick up the next digit in the number. And if you observe now, we'll go back to the first step now, and the value we have now is, if you observe, we have the value as 172, and first step says 172 percentile 10, remainder is 2 this time. So you will have 2, and this 2 we are going to add it to this existing sum. Earlier the sum was 9, now we are going to add 2, now this sum becomes 11. Again, what we'll do, again we'll divide this existing number by 10. This time the result will be 17, leaving 2. So we have only 17 now. Like this, we'll follow the same process till all the digits in the number are red. And finally, we'll get the sum of the digits in this variable called sum. Let's apply the same logic in the Java program. Let me create a new class. I'll name the class as sum of digits. Let us read the number from user. For that, I'll use scanner class. And import scanner class from Java util package. I'll read the number and store it into some variable called num, next int. And we can write some message to the user to enter a number. Now we can start the loop. You can see, first we need to extract a digit from the number. For that, let me declare a number like this, digit, and I'll get the remainder from the number. And the second thing what we'll do is, we'll declare a variable sum. We wanted to calculate the sum of the digits, so we'll declare a variable called sum, and we'll initialize it to 0. And this sum, what we'll do is, we'll extract the digit, right? So that digit we are going to add it to the sum variable. And finally, if you observe in the third step, we are going to divide the number by 10, so that the rightmost we'll get a result leaving the rightmost digit in the number. And this process will continue till number is not equal to 0. So once all the digits are completed, like once we are left with the last digit, when we divide any single digit with 10, so we always get the divisor as 0. We always get the result as 0, and that's the indication we should be stopping the process. That's the reason I am writing my condition in the loop as number not equal to 0. Once my number becomes 0, I'll come to know that all the digits in the number are red. So we'll stop the loop and we'll come out of the loop. and we can say that in the variable sum we will have the desired result. So we can say sum of the digits of a given number is sum. Sum of the digits of the given number is sum. Okay, and we'll close the scanner object. Now let us execute it. Let me show you debugging this. So we can debug. Usually we'll right click and do run as Java application to run the program. But this time what we'll do is click on run menu option and say debug. Say just debug or debug as Java application. Say debug as Java application here. Sorry, we need to have a breakpoint here. For that, we need to click on the line where we wanted to stop the execution. It will not actually stop, it will pass the execution there, so that from there we will debug each line of our logic and we'll look into the values we get. So for that, to toggle the breakpoint, you can just right click and say toggle breakpoint, or you can just double click on the line wherever you want the execution to pass. Now I want the control to stop here, execution control to stop here, so I kept toggle breakpoint here. Now what I'll do is run as debug as Java application. So it is asking us to enter a number. Let us enter the number, some number here, and you can see the breakpoint got hit here. Now from here onwards, we can debug the values. You can see here this num value, whichever we entered, this variable has the value whichever we entered. Now we should be pressing F6 on your keyboard. You should be holding function key and do F6. Or what we can do is you can see here in the icon bar, you can see step over. You can also click this, and you can see here, click it again. Each step you can see the execution. Like once this line got executed successfully, you will get the uh, result for this. So number divided by 10, and we got the remainder as 9, like how we got here. So you can see here again, to go to the next step, click on this icon again, step over icon, and you'll go to the next step. And you can see sum also as 9. The initial sum was 0 and we added 9 to it. Now sum has become 9. And the number divided by 10. So it becomes 172 now. And you can see here, the number has become 172, and we'll step over again. And this time we should be getting the next digit 2. Yeah, 2 will be added now. And the sum should become 11. Yes. Then we'll divide the number by 10 again. And this time we should be having 17. And 17 divided by 10, remainder is 7. 7 will be added to the existing sum 11, and this will become 18 now. You can see it here. And the number divided by 10 again. So this time we'll have number as 1, and we'll extract the remainder dividing it by 10. So we'll get 1, and this 1 will add it to the existing sum. Existing sum is 18. Now we'll add the extracted number 1. Now it has become 19. Finally, we'll divide 1 by 10, and this time number becomes 0. And this is where we should exit from the loop. You can see here the execution exited from the loop, and it is trying to print the result. You can see here it prints the result. This is how we can debug the application Java program. And you can just press on it so that execution will be done. And we can also execute it, run as Java application, and we can also provide any other number and check. So you can see 2, 3, 4, 5. The sum of the digits is 14. Like this, you can enter any number and can find the sum of the digits in that number. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.